Since the middle of 2023, I have pretty much strived to do better and do more man things around the house. And so one of the first man things I figured I'd do is tell the old lady that I would fix the toilet in the bathroom. And it's been a few months since I said that, so I feel like I'm on the right track. Let's get it. All right, we got some silicone. All right. Got some extras just in case, you know what I'm saying? We got a little wobble. And we got the little level thingy, my bobber. Now I just need my wrench and shit prepared. This is how we do it. So obviously, we had to turn off the water supply for this here toilet. And since we did that about 4 or 5 months ago, yeah, that looks crazy in there. Let's get her done. So from here, turning off the water supply is pretty much all I know how to do. Everything else will just be kind of, figuring it out as we go along. See, we got our supply lines here, so I'm gonna lefty-loosey that. I know that much. I know what lefty-loosey and righty-tighty means. That means I'm on the right track. Yeah. See, no water coming out. That means I did something right. Just don't want that water to bust. You know what I mean, fellas? I forgot I bought this tushy thing. Disgusting. A little bit of water remaining. If you're wondering why I took my gloves off, it's because it's easier to feel the nut with my bare hands than something covering it. And I need to feel the nut to be able to do what I need to do with the nut. Both of them. Both nuts. Ooh, that sounded disgusting coming up. Alright, finally got them off. And now I'm bare hand to the nuts again. Ah! It's so dirty at the top. So dirty at the tip of the nut. So dirty. Gotta use some other tools to really get this nut out. You ever struggled, guys, just getting the nut out? You just had to do some extra work. Yeah, that's where we are. Got the nut. Time to get the washer. Ah, disgusting. Ah, slimy. Gotcha, bitch. All right. Totally disgusting. Oh. Lift with your back, fellas. Okay, don't do that. Lift with your legs. All right. That looks terrible. I feel like I have to clean that, don't I? Whew. Out with the old, in with the new. wonder if installing is going to be harder than it was to uninstall. Because that was pretty easy. Took a few minutes, you know. I can't believe it's about to pay somebody $200 to do this shit for me. I'm just lazy. But now I'm too broke to be lazy. So I gotta do this shit by myself. Cause I can't afford to pay no one else. I'm too broke to be lazy. So now I gotta fix things by myself. This is where I feel like I need to start watching YouTube videos. Cause, yeah. Okay. I just clean up this old wax ring is what I assume all of this shit is. Then I'm gonna put the new wax ring onto the new bowl. I'm going to install. That's what it seems like I'm supposed to do. I don't know why I don't want to just watch YouTube videos. Like, I feel like I would just have all the answers. Am I trying to be a man today? Just use common sense and logic. Yep. See, I'm supposed to have cleaning shit, huh? Ugh. So I'm supposed to clean that. I need a brush. I ain't got no fucking brush. Drain. Listen, man. You gotta just do what you gotta do sometimes. You feel me? I ain't got no wire brush. I got some cleaning brushes. Oh man, that just doesn't look any better. Listen, man, we just want decency here. Okay? So then when we install this new wax ring, it's got somewhere to lay its head, you know? This other wax ring kind of just got synced up in there. The other wax ring from the video just came right up. So it looks like it'll hurt those hoes. This feels backwards. Yep. It's just a feeling I got. How do I do this? No sign of leaking. No sign of leaking. All right. Seems good.
Open the bowl trough covers and insert 1.
We got you installed. You are there. Toilet is there. Here's the moment of truth. Ha, just wait. Woo, woo. We done cleaned this. Wait, no, we didn't clean shit. We done built this bitch. We done built this bitch. Got a toilet in this bitch. And it's not leaking, bitch. So you do it. 1 hour, 20 minutes. Gang shit. It's not a dad bod, bitch. It's a father figure. Another question is, how are we gonna get this down the steps by myself? I'm not taking this bitch up and walking down the stairs, so. Huh. Let's think about this for a second. Let's not do anything crazy or rash, you know? We should do this in a very smart, economical, buddy system kind of way. Yeah, I don't think we should do anything hasty, you know, that could cause any kind of damage, because that would be fucking crazy, you know? Well, goodbye. Oh, at least my floor is okay. Alright, that's all I cared about anyway. Well, kind of. Really didn't care about it.
Oh my god, they are really serious about partying.